Thank you for purchasing the eVolt folding scooter. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your eVolt folding scooter should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape and any straps to open the box. Once opened, you'll find the scooter packaged like this. Set these components aside, but make sure they are easy to find afterwards as they are vital. Inside a clear plastic wallet, you'll find the instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, maintenance and best use of your scooter. With all the small items on the top layer removed, you can now access the main scooter body. Carefully tilt the box on its side, then pull on the scooter to slide it out. You are now ready to begin assembly. Cut the cable ties to remove the armrest and any excess packaging. To power up and open the folded scooter, you will need the charger and the ignition key. Plug your charger into a main socket and then connect it to the scooter. Enter and flick the ignition key to turn the scooter on. Press the A button for 1 second to begin the unfolding process. The scooter will now open up automatically. For safety, this process will pause halfway through. Simply push the button again to complete the unfolding. With the scooter unfolded, you can now add the battery. This slips discreetly into the footwell and comes fitted with a handle strap to make it easier to lift out. Now it's time to add the armrests. Cut the cable ties to remove the plastic stops in the armrest holders. Take care to avoid scratching the metal frame. Now you can drop the armrests into the seat. Use the star-handled knobs provided to secure the armrests in place. If your armrest doesn't sit at a comfortable angle or provide enough support, use an Allen key to adjust this bolt on the underside. Raise or lower it until the armrest stops at a comfortable and even level. For added comfort, the tiller bar is height and angle adjustable. Pull the clip on the front of the tiller to adjust the height, then close it again when satisfied. Push the lever on the rear of the tiller to adjust the angle. Finally, release the lever when you've found a comfortable position. Your eVolt folding scooter is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the eVolt folding scooter or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.